Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I have something really interesting for you guys. And this is the video I always wanted to make when I was young, when used to watch other YouTubers and watch this video. I used to get excited. So I always wanted to make one with my collection. So in today's video I have my bags collection. So I'm gonna show you how I have kept my bags. Open and show you my bags collection. One by one I'll be showing you the bags which I like the most and which I carry often. Though guys lockdown में तो कुछ भी कोई carry नहीं कर रहा, तो ये सब घर पे ही होते हैं. So the first bag which I like the most is this one. So this is an Aldo bag, and you can carry this bag in a party whenever you're going out for dinners. So it's a silver and a black bag, you can see. And it has this silver chain detailing on it. Bag which I like the most is this bag. I bought this bag on my, I think, 22nd birthday. So this bag I like the most. So the color is also really unique. It is like a mauve color, and the detailing is also really nice. And I have been carrying this bag when I used to go to the school or some of the functions. As you must be knowing that I am a French teacher in a school. So I have been carrying this bag whenever I used to have PTMs. Also, this is a good spacious bag. So you can keep your stuff, your makeup, your mobile, your charger. So it has good space. Which I like the most is this one. So this is a Damelano bag, and I think this is one of the most comfortable bags a lady can carry. So this bags, whenever you are going for a market and you want to pick some stuff, so I think that usually women prefer having a bag which she can easily carry in her shoulder and shop and take something or buy something, whatever she wants to. So this is one of the bags. So this is not that spacious, but yes, this can be kept as small stuff or you want to keep the money. So it is like this, if you can see. Bag which I want to buy. Okay, the third bag which I like the most is this one. So this bag I have been carrying, every day when I used to go to my job. Though now we are working from home. So this is a bag from Guess, and it has a dark color. So dark colors are always good when it comes to working and when you're going for your offices or somewhere. And also you need space, right? You need to put your tiffins, you need to put your water bottles. So this is one bag which I like. It has good space and though a different color too. So I used to carry this bag and go to my job. Is I think this one. So this bag is a party bag though, and this is from Dune London, if you can see. So it has got good detailing, good studs on it, and the styling is also really good. So if you can see, it is one of the good spacious bags one can have, and you can carry it when you're going for a party. So you can see that it has three good pockets. So yes, it's a party bag, it's a dinner bag. Also you can carry this bag like this for your comfort. You can wear shorts and go for vacations with this bag. It's so handy and so comfortable. And the color is also a unique one, that is black color. So black color I like. I think most of the girls are usually fond of black colors. 5 favorites bags I like from my collection, though I like all of the bags. So I can show you one bag which is very different and very unique, which is this one. So this is a very party style bag, and it has a very different kind of a shape it has, and when you open it, you have to open it from here. So as you can see, I always keep my bags with the newspaper filled or some of the I always keep my bags though in so some bags are always you can keep it, you can carry it when it goes with your dresses. So this is one of them, and let me go show you the last one. So the last bag is this one, which is a rose gold bag. So it is kind of a purse. I bought this bag when I was newly married. So when you are newly married, I think you often need bags which are for the traditional suits and saris or dresses. So this is one bag which is very classy. The color is also very subtle, and then you have this kind of a detailing on the top, so you can easily open it, and you can also carry it with the chain. So okay guys, I think that you liked my collection and you liked how I explained you each bag. If you want to see more of my bags, you can comment down below in the comment section. Till that time, bye. Like and subscribe my channel. Love you all.